Yo. Yo, what's good? Alright, so, my bad. I'm like I'm not drunk, but tipsy as hell. I've been drinking like Coronas and stuff like that. But hopefully today I'll come back with the bank for some good news, so I can get my brand new equipment and stuff like that. But yeah, because I'm going to get some of my old equipment away. I really don't want to give this camera away, because it's kind of sentimental now, because this is the first camera I met TJ Hunt and Dustin Williams in, which you'll see that vlog in a couple of weeks, like I said, because they kind of autographed it. So
oh, I'm in your way. My bad.
Oh, you good?
Also see an M3.
Shit, that's an M3. Oh shit! I forgot I was recording. That shit is nice. You said that's an M3? Yeah, that shit's nice. Some these motherfuckers. What? Oh yeah. Oh, he's moving. I'm just here, just recording. I just want to be safe. Hold up, is that the dude with that golf that was at the Hey bro, is that you? Oh shit, I'm trying to do two things at once. I can't. This bitch is bad. Look at that. That's bakery, bro. Nah, that's but no, the other dude is like how Latino. I go ADD, bro. I wish I had autofocus. This shit had autofocus. Gang shit. Well, that shit is nice, man. Hold on, was this the one Campbell was talking about? Like his friends building one? Like a Civic? Yeah. Mopars, bro. They scare me now. After I saw that dude like almost hit me at a car, I'm like, fuck no. He was like doing donuts and stuff. Oh, this shit is clean as fuck. Look at that shit, bro. Oh, it's a two-door too. That mother. Oh shit! That's who that is! Oh, okay. I didn't even pay attention. This shit is nice, bro. Shut up, that's what we at that car meet right now. He's like, everybody's starting to roll in now. This the same one you got?
Yeah, well, this one might be a 90.
Alex, this is motivation for you, bro. This shit is clean as fuck. Yo, I want an FD to roll up here so fucking bad, bro. This is the guy that made me lose my glasses, bro. That's him right there. Oh, he stopped. I know he's about to go. Zoom. Is that Cruddy Carl?
It's kind of a mixture in between like silver and white. Pearl.
You fucking would.
I'm like, yeah. He's like,
Car is like, yeah, I never seen this car in like light like this. Cause I always seen them at night. This shit is like great. Canards and shit. That carbon fucking fiber, bro. I'm just here. So I'm just here to watch out for something. I'm going over here. Fuck this shit. This is where all the footage at. Oh, I've seen this one before. Hold up. These are the ones we're talking about, right? The Nissan, these are the ones we're talking about? Yeah, because it's like, it has more aggressive body style. See these every day either. Just, where you going, buddy? Bye. Hey! Do it again. Hey, look. No, don't turn it up. Don't turn it up. Hey, Oscar, you slow!
That make me want to get mad.
Yes!
Static is the way to go.
Yep.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.